Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. How are you today? I hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to Year 3 English PDPR lesson. Today, we are going to focus on reading skill with the topic of the solar system in the World Around Us unit of your Get Smart Plus 3 book. Alright, before we start our lesson today, let us look at the learning objectives for today's lesson. Number 1, by the end of today's lesson, you will be able to read a text about the solar system and answer 4 comprehension questions correctly. Number 2, by the end of today's lesson, you will be able to guess the meaning of the solar system. How about the success criteria for today's lesson? What you can do in today's lesson to achieve the learning objectives for today's lesson. Let us look at the success criteria for today's lesson. Number 1, you can read a text about the solar system. Number 2, you can answer 4 comprehension questions. Number 3, you can arrange the planets in the order. And number 4, you can guess the meaning of the solar system. Are you all ready for the lesson today? Let us begin our lesson today by reading a text about the solar system. You may refer to your Get Smart Plus 3 book on page 98. Are you all ready to read the text? Let's read together. The solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The Sun is at the center of our solar system. It is a star and all the planets go around it. Earth is the planet people live on. Mercury is the planet closest to the Sun. It's also the smallest planet. Mercury is very hot, but the hottest planet is Venus. Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the coldest planets. Neptune is also the farthest planet from the Sun. Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are very big, but Jupiter is the biggest planet of all. Can you please look at the picture on page 98 of your Get Smart Plus 3 book? Let me read the title for you. The Solar System. Can you guess what the text is going to be about? Let me tell you, it is about the solar system and the planets that are in it. What I want you to do is that I want you to listen to the text because after that you are going to answer 4 comprehension questions. Are you all ready? Let's listen to the text.
Activity 1. Listen and read. Science.
The solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The Sun is at the center of our solar system. It is a star, and all the planets go around it. Earth is the planet people live on. Mercury is the planet closest to the Sun. It's also the smallest planet. Mercury is very hot, but the hottest planet is Venus. Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the coldest planets. Neptune is also the furthest planet from the Sun. Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are very big, but Jupiter is the biggest planet of all.
You have just listened to the text. Now is the time for you to answer 4 comprehension questions. Are you all ready? Let us try to answer the questions together. Question number 1. Which planets are in our solar system? Do you still remember the answer? The planets in our solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Next question, question number 2. Where is the Sun? So what's the answer? The Sun is in the center of the solar system. Next question, question number 3. Which planet is the hottest? What's the answer? The answer is the hottest planet is Venus. And the last one, question number 4. Which planet is the farthest from the Sun? Do you know what's the answer? The answer is the farthest planet from the Sun is Neptune. Let me introduce the names of the planet we have in our solar system. We have Earth, we have Jupiter, we also have Mars, we have Mercury, we have Neptune, we have Saturn, we have Uranus, and we also have Venus. Can you please arrange the planets in the order? Let us try to arrange the planets in the order. Start from the closest planet to the Sun. That is Mercury. Then, next planet is Venus. That is the hottest planet. The third planet from the Sun is Earth. After that, Mars. And then we have Jupiter. Next, Saturn. Then Uranus. And the farthest planet from the Sun is Neptune. What I want you to do now is that I want you to take out your Get Smart Plus 3 book and turn to page 98. I want you to point to the words in the vocabulary section. Please listen to the words and repeat. Are you all ready? Let's listen to the words.
Our world. Vocabulary. Planet. Around. Close. Far.
Before we end our lesson today, I would like you to look at the picture on page 98 of your Get Smart Plus 3 book. Let us look at the picture again. Can you please guess what the solar system means? Let me tell you. Solar system is the sun and all the planets that go round it. So, we have come to the end of today's lesson. I do hope to see you in the next lesson. See you then. Bye-bye.